Are you looking for the best cassette tape boomboxes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cassette tape boomboxes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Greadio CD Player Boombox Cassette Player Combo. The Greadio CD Player Boombox Cassette Player Combo with Bluetooth, AM/FM radio, stereo sound with remote control, AUX/USB drive, tape recording, AC/DC powered, headphone jack, LCD display for home, kids, gift is a versatile and sleek boombox that offers a variety of ways to enjoy your music. With its 3W dual speakers, you can enjoy a smooth and stereo audio experience at home, kitchen, bedroom or outdoor. It supports programming songs under CD and USB modes. It also has Bluetooth 5.1 version, auxiliary cord, and USB drive loaded with your favorite songs or audiobooks to play. The built-in cassette tape deck with recording function can meet those who have the habit of collecting tapes. It also has AM/FM radio mode that you can listen to talk shows, NFL, NPR, news on this CD boombox player. It can be powered by AC cable or 6*C size batteries, and it has a handle for easy portability. What we like. Offers a variety of ways to enjoy your music, including CD, Bluetooth, auxiliary cord, USB drive, cassette tape, and AM/FM radio modes. 3W dual speakers provide a smooth and stereo audio experience. Can be powered by AC cable or 6*C size batteries, and has a handle for easy portability. Number 2. Retekess TR621 CD/cassette combo boombox with remote control. The Retekess TR621 CD and cassette player combo is a portable boombox with AM/FM radio and MP3 player stereo sound. The device supports CD/CDR/CDRW/MP3/WMA format discs and standard size tapes. It features stereo MP3 player, tape recording, and dual high-powered speakers. The LCD display shows the number of the track being played and allows for free track selection. The device has a portable carry handle and supports 2 power supplies, AC 110V power and 6XD size batteries. The remote control supports CD and USB playback, but not cassette and radio playback. What we like. Supports CD/CDR/CDRW/MP3/WMA format discs and standard size tapes. Features stereo MP3 player, tape recording, and dual high-powered speakers. The LCD display shows the number of the track being played and allows for free track selection. Number 3. GileM Portable Cassette Player Boombox. The GileM Portable Cassette Player Boombox offers a retro look combined with modern technology. It has a big speaker that produces loud and clear sounds for high fidelity and lossless playback. In addition to playing your favorite tapes, it can also record external sounds, such as your thoughts or messages to loved ones. The device also features a long antenna and upgraded DSP chip for great AM/FM radio reception, and a 3.5mm headphone jack for discreet listening. You can use the AC power cord or battery power to enjoy music wherever you go. What we like. Produces loud and clear sounds for high fidelity and lossless playback. Features a long antenna and upgraded DSP chip for great AM/FM radio reception. Can record external sounds, such as your thoughts or messages to loved ones. Number 4. Philco Portable CD and Cassette Boombox. The Philco Boombox offers a versatile listening experience with its built-in CD player, supporting various formats like MP3 and WMA. This means you can enjoy your favorite albums and audiobooks with clear sound. It also features a cassette player and recorder, allowing you to play and save cherished cassette tapes, making it perfect for nostalgia. Additionally, you can listen to FM radio or stream music via Bluetooth from your devices, giving you access to both classic and contemporary tunes. With a 3.5mm AUX input and headphone jack, you can easily connect other devices or enjoy private listening, making it a flexible choice for music lovers. What we like. Multiple playback formats. Cassette recording capability. Bluetooth streaming. Flexible connectivity options. Number 5. Sunoony Boombox Cassette CD Player Combo. Sunoony Boombox CD Combo offers a CD and cassette player combo, allowing you to enjoy your favorite CDs and record music on tapes. With a rechargeable battery and dual speakers, you can listen for a long time with great stereo sound. The FM radio feature lets you tune into various stations easily. Additionally, it supports multiple music modes like Bluetooth and USB, and comes with a remote control for convenient operation. The sleep mode feature allows you to set a timer for auto shut-off, ensuring a peaceful sleep. What we like: CD and cassette combo. Rechargeable battery. Dual speakers.